In this video I'm going to show you how to find Safari downloaded files on your iPhone. That is quite simple and easy, so let's begin. And first open up your settings and scroll down all the way until you find Safari. And there scroll down for a bit and hit on downloads. Now there you can see where Safari store downloaded files. It can be iCloud Drive or it can be your phone device. And now when you know where to find, you can hop it out and open out the file application. Now there go here to browse and there you can enter iCloud Drive or My iPhone. It depends on where Safari store its downloaded files. So now I'll open up iCloud Drive and there hit on downloads, and there are all the Safari downloads in that downloads folder. That's how it works. If it helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.